Hi friends, so today we'll be doing an unboxing for my new Thinkbook from Lenovo. I haven't opened it yet. First is the charger. So it's the Lenovo Thinkbook. This is the manual. I'll read this later. I got this as a Christmas present. As a matte gray finish. But opening it, and when I start to type, I don't really like the keyboard. The keys are not feeling the best at this point. And let's turn it on. I think I have to attach my charger first for that. I hope the cord is not is at a suitable length, because I like to use my laptop from my bed, so I sometimes want to charge it from places that are. It has the ports. It has an HDMI. It has an audio. This is where the battery goes. I actually ordered this because to attach my USB here, or my memory card. And you can also attach telephone cable, Ethernet here. It's an Intel Core i7, which is why I ordered this. And also it has 16GB RAM. I do a lot of programming, so I didn't want like 4GB RAM, because that was going to not work so well with my needs. I like how they attach the plastic to my switch. Oh, sorry. I like how they attach this plastic to my switch, so when I'm not charging, I can actually cap this back on. And this is a lot of unwrapping. The cord is just standard length. They could have given me a longer cord, but I think I'll have to adjust. I have attached the charger, so let's see. Oh, this is how it looks like turned on. I have an Iris Xe graphics card, and I think I have to set this up now. but I think for the price, this is considerable, since it has a 16 GB RAM, which is okay if you want to use it with Python or any other programming languages, and it won't lag with this RAM. And the processor is really good. It's an i7, and we have a graphics card, Iris graphics as well. So, and the screen is 14 inches, which is why I chose it. And I think I can just close it, put it in my bag and take it to university or grad school or wherever, like take it with me everywhere. But this is heavy, it's not lightweight, it's heavy. But I think it's not so heavy that I can't carry it with me everywhere, but it does have a lot of weight to it. So I am back and I have set up my computer and I installed Python. As you can see, it's very quick to open. That's why you should get a higher RAM. So if we open the browser, and it's extremely fast, you can quickly and go to my channel pretty fast. And the only thing I don't like about this new laptop is that the keyboard is not what I want. It's a little too flat. If I'm programming, then I want my keys to go really fast. These are not ideal. And the mouse is, I'm not going to use this mouse pad because I think it's really hard to push down. So instead I'm just going to use my wireless mouse because I have to use it a lot. For the price range, I got a good amount of RAM and I got 512 GB of memory, which was good for me. And I just don't like the mouse pad and the keyboard. The screen is touch as well, so I can open it from here. Thank you for watching my video.